first, to establish what cresting looks like, this is my crested aeonium sunbursts. You see the fan shape growth? They flatten out and spread to form a crest. A crest is something that is flat and sort of a fan-like. This is due to variance in the growing condition that the plant has been subjected to. Mutations, insects attack, or the soil condition that they're in, or... Hello there, my name is Liz, a self-confessed succulent addict. Welcome to my channel, Growing Succulents. And this is more of my crested aeonium. So I got 1, 2, this is just one plant here, so you can see in the bottom, it's a cresting. The 2 of them are crested, the 2 limbs, but one reverted back to normal growth. All of these were taken from one plant. This is my large aeonium sunburst that's crested. Even at the front there you can see the head is already forming a crest, but isn't that beautiful? All those crested aeonium sunbursts that I have all came from this mother plant. This is my crested Pachyvaria Elaine Wright, and I can't seem to get a straight normal plant from it. Every single leaf I tried to propagate from it would crest up and form this way. But this one's here, this is a crested Golden Maria. So I had this plant for about 2.5 years now, and as you can see, that formed a crest, and you can see the fan shape like in there, and I've only managed to get one plant from that. So when I took the plant from it, or a cutting, it wasn't a crested one. Okay, hang on. So this is the normal Golden Maria. So this is what it should look like had it not crested up. So this is now a 2.5-year-old plant, and it's not a very big plant, so it looks more like an ebony, but it's just small, but very cute. That's very, very cute. So growing wise, they're easy to look after. Basically put them in, I just put them in my advanced soil mix and put some scoria on top. Oh, I just noticed the little, I shouldn't put that there. Take that out, take that out. Okay. Okay, there you go. I can't see it there, so might as well take it away. We put it somewhere where we can see it, like in here, the peaches and cream. There you go. So anyway, this is now Golden Maria crested and Echeveria Ramileti crested. Graptopetalum paraguayense, SSP, Bernalense. It's a beautiful, beautiful plant. This plant here is almost 2 years old. My mother plant was somewhere else. I'm trying to find it. And this is already a baby from that mother plant that I bought a couple of years ago. And it's beautiful. It's got pink and yellow and minty green tones. So these are the only clusters I've got, so I need to take this out and put it in a pretty pot, as I call it. And those cute little things there are also some of them. They are a few leaves that I pluck from the mother plant. I actually stripped the mother plant. Hang on. This one I have to pull this out as well, okay? Because that's green, so we throw that in there. And I stripped the mother plant, and now look at all these gorgeous babies. And from these gorgeous babies, which I stripped again, I've already scattered some or planted some in my front garden. Now this is the ordinary version, and this is the variegated version. I paid $60 for this plant here. Can you believe that? And I strip the bottom leaves as well, as you can see, but it's not very successful. I only got about 4 or 5 leaves from it, I think 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, about 4. I think I got 4. I don't like the number 4 because in Chinese I think it says death or something like that. So I don't like 4. But anyway, so this one now has got a baby in the bottom. And can you see the difference of, look at that. So this is variegated. And that one on the far right is the normal one. And it almost looked like it's variegating as well, that normal one here. Now, I'm going to show you a little cutie pie. The next one I'm going to show you is 9 months old. And I have been growing it inside in water. Okay, so this is, look how cute this is. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. So the variegated and the ordinary one, grown in water. Look at that. They are so cute. They are just so cute. I hope I don't knock that variegated one over. Look at that. Ah. Anyway, even that pink one there. So the center is all pink. It's all chubby, chubby, chubby pink. It's so cute. It's so cute. Such a cute, cute plant. Graptopetalum paraguayense, SSP Bernalense. Let's go look at some more beautiful babies. Look at that. Hello, chubby, chubby. They're actually quite easy to grow. So they're like a weed. So you just pluck the leaves, except for the variegated ones, of course. But these ordinary ones, you just pluck the leaves, leave it to grow on their own on dry tissue paper or paper, and keep it somewhere bright but no direct sunlight. Even if you put it in direct sunlight, they just grow. They sprout like flies. Not flies. Okay, I have to put this away for now. Hang on. They grow so quickly that, look at this one. So this is another one that's growing in water, but it's dried up. So I don't know how long ago since it had water, but that needs some planting or transplanting. And it actually went ethylated because I had it growing down there, that empty spot there. Poor thing. And this one, I just found this one tucked underneath the shelves, because when I pluck them, look how much leaves there are. And what I did is I put them somewhere intending to lay them out somewhere else, but then life happens and you get busy. But in the process, look at that. I now have a crested Graptopetalum paraguayense, SSP Bernalense, and it's not only one. Oh my goodness, I got one. Who says neglect doesn't pay off? And this one too, look at that. Ah, that's a crested one, so you can see the flat leaves. So 2. Hello, hello, hello. Oh my goodness. So I got my cold. I got 3. Look at that. Ah, another one. Okay, I'm definitely replanting you today. Look. So, and I'm sure there's some mealybugs there somewhere. Oh, 5! 5! Another crested one. Oh, this is so exciting, and I can see another one there. So there you go. And 6, there's a, can you see that long flat one here? There. So probably I'll have, oh my Lord, happy days. Okay, my voice is going. So again, yes, 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 I'm going to have some crested Graptopetalum paraguayense, SSP Bernalense. Woohoo! So I've separated some of my crested Bernalense now, and look at them. I did not know I have so much, and I wasn't intending to grow some crested ones. This just shows you that sometimes neglect, as what my experience is with a lot of my plants. I don't water them, I overwater them, I forget about them and pluck them. But anyway, so this is now a mutation from something. What this tells me is that the mealybug has been eating the roots, and that's why there's no roots left. Oh, there's a little bit in there, that one. That's what happens. So if you have insect, hang on, I can't, okay, there you go, that one fluff. Look at that, look at that, see, it's alive, it's alive. There's still a live one there, hang on. Okay, is there? Yep, there's still a little mealybug inside. I'm gonna squash it. Look, yep, see, still mealybug. Ah, So even the mealybug are starved because I think they went through everything. And then there's a tiny little mealybug there as well. Look, hiding there. So that's what they've been doing. So every bite, every nip, every whatever, the plant's reaction is to crest up so it can spread out and grow some more. So this is what happens. So even that it looks like it's ethylating. It is. They're all ethylated. It means they're all went really long because they're trying to reach for the sun. They need light. And since it's tucked in underneath a shelf like this, so if you're growing in a shelf like that, and that's what happened to them. So now, but by the time I discovered them, see, look, all those dried up leaves and everything, you can see, look, it's even got like soil in it because I just took some cuttings and threw it there, and all the leaves I stripped and left it there. So that's what happened to that. And the cuttings I've already put at the front, and they're all growing nicely. So, but this one now, this is a happy, very happy discovery. So there you go, guys. So another one for the books. Torture your leaves and it will produce you some nice crested ones. And this is the longest one. Look how cute that is. Oh, that is so gorgeous. Okay, that's it. I need to have my coffee now. Okay, I'm not gonna oh, look, I have to tuck that all in. Okay, thank you very much, and hope you have a lovely, beautiful day, because I am. I'll be busy planting all these babies. Okay, that's it, guys. So this is my vlog for today. The vlog for today is how to torture a bernalensi. So I'm excited. Oh my goodness. Okay, today we're going to be planting some tortured Bernalense, Graptopetalum paraguayense, SSP Bernalense. I'm gonna give you, I'll keep you updated as to the progress. Oh, look, I'm feeling better already. I'm gonna keep you updated as to the progress of these babies here. Oh, I love crested. I love crested. How to torture a Bernalense to get crested Bernalense. Woohoo! Okay, I'm gonna lift this up. Look. It's just water. Look how long the roots are. Look at that. See, now you're going to be growing all your succulents in water.